Okay, I'm going to do a little tour, video tour of our home. So we walk in the door and enter into the kitchen, and our kitchen is very, very nice. It's our favorite kitchen we've ever lived in. It has granite countertops, and the appliances are really nice, and a dishwasher, which is awesome. So it has plenty of counter space, which we've never had before. We love the counter space. In those doors there, we have a little washer and dryer. And then my favorite part is the kitchen opens up into the living room. So you can do dishes here and then be a part of everything going on out here. And the living room is actually pretty big. So we don't have all of our furniture here because we didn't want to get everything from storage. But we have just a cute little cozy room, and it's all decorated for fall. Of course, nothing on the walls, but that's okay. It's very cute. We like it a lot. And then that moves into our bedroom, which is a perfect size. Fits our king size bed nicely, and has a great closet. And then out here is our view from the windows, and it overlooks Beverly, and you can actually see 4 church steeples from these windows. So it's a great view. And then we just move back down the hallway into our little bath, and there are pumpkins on the toilet. So this is a little tour of our home. It's very cozy and warm, and it's great for right now. So that's our little space. The end.